Alright, the buyer's financial information sheet. This form will likely not be used by you except in a seller finance or perhaps a lease option agreement. If there's a multiple offer and your client is comfortable with you filling out some of the information on here just to strengthen your offer, this could be another tool in your tool belt to just put yourself above and beyond other offers if their financial situation is very strong. But let's go over the form a little bit to show you what it looks like and how to fill it out. So you'll find it right here under Buyer Financial Information Sheet. It's in the Selling section. Once you click on it, it will look like this. So pretty easy. You put the buyer's last name, first name, their initials. Here's some stuff that, unless it's a seller finance, you might just not fill this stuff in here. There's no need to put your client's information at risk like that. In a seller finance transaction, they might want it all the way filled out. But this is all pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to fill information in about home that they lived at, if they rented it, if they owned it, how long they stayed there, etc., etc. Here's stuff about their financial situation that you can use to make them as strong as possible in the seller's eyes. Their other monthly income, other income source, savings, checking accounts, balance. Again, I would probably not fill those in, or maybe you could do the last four. I'd probably just leave it blank and put the balances there. If they want proof, you can always print it out and black out the account numbers and everything. Then it talks about assets. So there's a home right here. You can fill that in. If they own additional homes, you can probably add a page and just put those. But you put the value, name of co-owners, car, furniture, total assets. Just a great way to kind of show the strength of your buyer in a seller finance position. And then you also list the debts: present balance, monthly payment, alimony, medical bills. And down here, these are important questions, so we're just going to go over them really quick. Are any of your debts past due? Obviously, you hope the answer is no, but make sure they're 100% honest. If there's any that are past due, make sure they click yes right there. Do you have any debts under your name other than the ones listed used on this loan application? Have you ever had any auto, furniture, other property repossessed? Are you a co-signer? Anything? Have you filed bankruptcy within the last 7 years? Do you have any judgments against you that have not been fully paid and satisfied? So again, if it's a seller finance situation and the seller is essentially becoming your bank, these are things that they have the right to know and they're going to like to know. And if the answers are good, it's going to serve to strengthen your buyer's position. But you're not always going to even use this in a seller finance transaction. I've rarely ever used it in a non-seller finance transaction, but it's good to know how to use it and how to fill it out.